Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube Vanced not working. But before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So if you're on iPhone or Android Play Store, if iPhone, go to App Store or Google Play Store, or on Android, go to Google Play Store. If you are on your iPhone, top right, and then you just want to go to search and find the app. If you are on your Android, just open Play Store, click at the top on your account, and then manage apps. And from there you want to deinstall or delete the app and reinstall it again. If that doesn't work, on your iPhone, go to your settings, general, and then go to storage. And from there you basically want to find the app, you want to click on it, and then you want to click on offload app and then open it again. If it's still not working, then you want to delete the app again, restart your phone and install it one more time. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.